Here we are today. We're in a neighborhood called Shadetree Estates. And Shadetree Estates is a neighborhood. I was selling houses in here when it was all woods. Barber had this idea of a neighborhood that he wanted to put together of high-end homes. He's instrumental in designating this area as Oak Hill, Virginia. The Oak Hill is between Oakton and Fairfax, Herndon and Fair Oaks area, but it's a very high-end luxury neighborhood. People move here because it's got great schools. It's very convenient because we're just off the Fairfax County Parkway, close to Fair Oaks, close to the Dulles Toll Road. We're close to Tyson's. I mean, it's a very convenient location, and people love it once they get here. It's also affordable. I mean, this beautiful house is under $1.4 million, sitting high on the hill. I mean, this is the highest point in this neighborhood, all surrounded by trees. I mean, what more can you get? But this is also a perfect home. They've maintained it very well. It's beautifully landscaped. And when you get inside, you're going to find that it's beautifully decorated and an excellent floor plan. But I think it's something that you're going to like. So without further ado, let's go inside. Okay, so we're at the motor court here. It's really nice because it's beautifully landscaped. You've got your garages, your side entrance into that family room, as I went over, and then you've got this area here. So what I really like about this extension here is because it's a place where you can fit 3 cars, and it's beautifully flat. So if you wanted to put a basketball hoop up or something, it's a perfect size for that. Gives you, but what I really love about this neighborhood is all the trees, and everything's landscaped well. You cannot even see the other houses in the summer. Got a gate going out to the back. So it looks like a home. So as you come in, you kind of get the feeling that this is a beautiful home. You got the marble foyer, got the little dots in here. And you come in, staircase, very grand. Up top, I love this ceiling detail with the barrel vault going through the middle of the vault there. Beautiful chandelier. Formal dining room to the right when you come in. It's got chair rail, wainscoting, entrance into the kitchen. Nice crown molding. It's a 3-piece crown, and they dropped the OG, so it looks like a 4-piece crown. You've got plantation shutters throughout the whole main level. Hardwood floors. Now these are stained in place oak hardwood floors. Very elegant formal dining room. You got the formal living room. Again, hardwood floors, crown molding, the plantation shutters throughout, but on this side, it's all woods, and you get to see just in the spring and summer, because you're above every other house, you're kind of looking down on them, but you're looking into the trees, and it just looks like you're in a little tree house and all green. Then you push the pocket doors in, and come from that living room into what is a library or a first floor reading room. You've got the built-in shelves on either side of the door, but what I really love about this is you've got this screened porch off of the library, and tell you, in 3 seasons, that's usually the place that you're going to find people out there having tea, coffee in the morning, you know, a drink in the afternoon, because what a great spot. And all you do is look at the green. Again, you've got the hardwood floors in here, plantation shutters, crown molding. So one of the most relaxing places in this house is this screen porch. And you just want to sit down and take it all in. So as you're coming in from the library, you'll see that first thing you have is a little wet bar. So that can service your formal living room, your library, the out on the screen porch. It's got a undermount stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet. You've got your wine glasses and wine rack up here. Tile black splash, it's actually a granite with a little glass tiles built into it that match perfectly with the granite. Speed oven, microwave, and then you've got your kitchen. Now, obviously this kitchen, it has got a full overlay cabinet doors. They're tinted, so they're a beige, off-white with a rubbing into it. So it gives like an antique look, very much in style, very nice quality. There's a below counter oven on this side. Got a Bosch dishwasher on this side, dual sinks, and gas cooktop. So you'll see that here you've got the same backsplash on behind your cabinetry. You've got the St. Cecilia on the surrounding cabinetry along with the desk, and then you've got an absolute black that has the gold flecks in it on the center island. It gives a very nice two-tone effect without going overboard, and it all kind of combines together, makes it very nice. Big breakfast area in here, ceramic tile floors throughout the kitchen. So, and these are variable widths, so they have different sizes, very much in style with what's going on today. And then it opens up to a huge family room. I love this because it gives you a mason fireplace with the gas logs, precast surround, very elegant, and then you got a little built-in places for decorator items. Perfect place for the TV, and it all walks out into the backyard onto a Trex deck. We'll get to that in a little bit. And then you have a back staircase that goes up, a little Juliet balcony up there, and very useful because a lot of times you're staying in the family room and you can just go up the back stairway, and it gives you 2 accesses to the upper floor. What I really like about this space is it's volume space, but it's off to the side. So you get this 2-story volume, but you don't get the noise upstairs. You've got access to your garage. There's a little tile landing there. And then you also have access from the side that goes out to the driveway, perfect for family entrance, going out if you want to play basketball out there or something of that sort. Or when your guests come in, if they pull in the driveway, they're familiar with you, maybe they just come in the back door. So when you come up to the upper level, first thing you have is this little landing space. So it gives you a place that reading nook or place that if you wanted to, you could put a piano, something of that sort. But it's a nice spot and it makes the upper level feel larger. It's because it's just not a hallway. The first bedroom is this. I mean, I like this bedroom because it's very bright and cheery. It's on a corner, so you've got light coming in from two different directions. And even with these plantation shutters up, it's very light in here. And then this one has its own bath, and you can see that the tile's been updated somewhat. It's not brand new, but very nice guest bath. So it has upstairs laundry, nice space for full-size washer and dryer. You got cabinets above, and on this side, they have a built-in ironing board. So the other two bedrooms are down this wing at the back staircase, and you have one bedroom. You come in, two large closets, you got your plantation shutters, nice bedroom, and then it has what they call a Jack and Jill or a buddy bath, where you can come in from that bedroom. It's got a separate room for the tub and toilet, and then you've got this area with marble tops for your vanity. And then you have your fourth bedroom here, nice large bedroom, again with the plantation shutters. This one has a large walk-in closet and a little desk area. And then last but not least, you've got the master bedroom, and you can see crown molding all the way around. Love this. You've got the tray ceiling with cove lighting behind the molding, and then again, it's a tray ceiling, so it's got more molding. So it gives it a very elegant look. Then the best part, two walk-in closets. After that, you've got this fantastic shower with dual shower heads. It's all upgraded, new tile, stand-free tub, faucet over here. It's got a handheld in this little bay. And then they've risen the height of the countertops, give you, new cabinets, double vanities here, and a very smart looking master or owner suite bathroom. So as we come down to lower level, you'll see that it's got nice high ceilings down here, crown molding. You've got a walkout that goes to a Trex deck on the side. Really nice because you've got all these woods on the side. There's no houses there. So it gives you a little private space off of this level. Obviously, most of the time you're going to be in the screen porch or the deck to the back, but this gives you another opportunity out here. The rec room is set up just like it's called, a rec room. They've got a place for pool table or ping pong table here. Got a media area so they can watch. And I like this, I think you will too, ingenious little thing that they've got the exercise room opened up. So you've got the exercise room off of the main room. It gives you space where you can watch television, do your exercise, and have lots of light. Coming down the stairs to the opposite side, you come in, there's a little space for a desk. I've seen people close this off and make it into a wine cellar or something like that also. But there's lots of things that you could do that way. There's a back hallway going to the exercise room and to the bathroom. We'll get to that because that's special. Just a finished storage room. So you can put all your cushions, your chairs, different things. You can all store them here. So as I said, this is a special bathroom. It's got a full steam shower in here. So very nice to have off of your exercise room. You can come in and take a steam after. Granite countertops, tile floors. So in a lot of houses we don't get into the other junk rooms, but there is a junk room back here, and this is where they store all their junk, of course. But there's a lot of space here with, he set it up for tools, set it up for, hi guys, they set it up for puppies. One of their HVAC is down here, and as you can tell, this one's newer. It's got humidifier. They have one in the attic as well. It has a humidifier on it as well. They also have HEPA filters, so they're cleaning and scrubbing the air continuously. And last but not least, down here is it's got a little wet bar, so that'll service while you're watching television. Maybe you want to make a smoothie after you work out, or you're playing billiards or table tennis. You have a little bar down here as well. So, as you saw from the lower level, you come out to this little deck out here. I mean, what a great place for bird watching or just having an afternoon cocktail, because you're out here on this porch and all you see is woods and green. It's a perfect place for a little peace. So I called this a perfect house. It is a perfect home. I mean, look at this yard. It's perfectly manicured, has a beautiful gardens. It's landscaped all around, not just at the foundation. I love this little gardening over here. You've got a little place for the water to escape over the rocks. Very peaceful, very nice. You've got your outdoor HVACs, and you can see how they cover them up for the winter so that they're not getting weathered. That's how they take care of their home. You've got a radon remediation system already in it, so you know that you don't have a radon issue. That screened porch, of course, is going to be one of the places you're going to hang out a lot. And of course, this Trex deck, I mean, it looks like it's brand new. They have Centricom for termites, so you don't have to worry about that issue. I mean, these people have maintained and taken care of this house. This is not just how it looks to sell it. It looks like this every day, all the time. And this is what you want to buy when you're looking for a home. Great neighborhood, great schools, a great location. As I said before, you've got 66 out one side. You got the Fairfax County Parkway. You're right next to Fair Oaks and Fair Oaks Hospital. You've got Reston just down the street with the Reston Town Center, the Dulles Toll Road. So it's very convenient, very easy to get to Tyson's, to DC, to the airport, northwest, south, and east. There's roads going every direction. So it's a very accessible area. And that's why Oak Hill has become one of my favorites, but it's become one of the favorites of people that are looking in this price range, because they get the most house for the money. My name's Casey Marganow, Casey Marganow Fine Homes. I hope you've enjoyed the video tour. And like I always say, if this is something that might be of interest to you, give me a call, 703-827-5777, 703-827-5777, because this is a house you must take a look at to appreciate.